Hey there, entrepreneurs. My name's Adam and I'm the Honest Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel for beginners in 2024. Now, whether you're looking to share your passion, build a brand, or even start a new business, YouTube, as we all know, is a fantastic platform to get your message out there. So let's dive in with some simple steps and honest strategy that you can follow. Now, first, we need to define your purpose before you can even create your channel. You need to think about why you want to even start a YouTube channel. Are you passionate about a particular topic? Do you want to educate others? Is this a way to promote your brand, business or personal brand if you have one? Now you need to understand your purpose, and so that it will guide your content creation and keep you motivated. Now, what's really important is we have to remember that passion is key. When you're passionate about a topic, it clearly shows to your audience and it keeps your audience engaged. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. It could be something really, maybe you're passionate about gardening, or you're passionate about skateboarding, you're passionate about playing games, whatever it might be. The passion has to be there and has to be something you're really, really into and have been into for a long time. If it's a new hobby you have, the passion might not last because you're just really excited about it for the short term. So whatever topic you're choosing, it has to be something you're going to be interested in for a long time. Because if you're not, it's just going to get boring and your audience is going to be engaged. Once you have an idea, something you're passionate about, the next step is to research and plan your content. Now, you'll need to take some time to research your niche or niche. There's debate about which is the right pronunciation, but you need to research your niche and see what other creators are doing. What kind of content is popular? What gaps can you fill with your unique perspective? And you need to create kind of like a content plan. Start a list, make a list of videos and ideas and plan out your first, say, 5 videos. And this outline that you make for each of your videos, it's going to be kind of your roadmap going forward. And it'll help you stay consistent. As long as you have a step-by-step formula, it's going to be a lot easier to stay on schedule, stay on task. Now, when I say research your competition and the kind of videos they have, I'm not telling you to copy. You should never copy anybody. But there is something that your audience wants to see. There is a format that your audience likes to see. And it's that content, it's that format that you need to kind of emulate in your own specific style, your own specific personality. So with all that information, you have your outline, you have your step-by-step process to help you stay consistent. Next is to set up your channel. Now, it's time that when you set up your channel, this is pretty straightforward. It's not too complicated, not too difficult. I'm sure you have a Google account. You can use your personal account that you use regularly. Like I have YouTube Premium, so I have my YouTube Premium account, and I just create an extra channel on that main account, so it's always linked together. If you have a Google account, great. You can just create a channel, fill out your channel name and the description. Now, when it comes to making your description, don't overthink it. And also, this is going to seem kind of counterintuitive maybe, don't use AI. I know people are going crazy right now with AI, and I use AI too. I use AI a lot actually for a lot of research. It just makes research and asking questions a lot easier instead of me going to Google and doing all the Google searches. I just ask AI to get the information. But when it comes to making your channel description or researching your channel, try to use your own personal ideas, your own personal branding. You can, as a kind of maybe an alternative, kind of meet you halfway, you can use AI to give the description of your channel. Then you can read that and kind of write it in your own words. That would be, I think, a good fair trade. And let me talk a little bit about your channel name. Now, the channel name should be something simple, something easy for people to remember. But make sure your name reflects the content, reflects your personality, and it's something, as I said, easy to remember. Let's talk about equipment and software. Now, this is a very big catch for a lot of people. People go crazy about equipment, and it's probably one of the things I talk about the most with people that ask, when I interact with my audience. They always ask me, oh, what kind of smartphone, what kind of camera, what kind of sound, microphone, lighting should I use? And I always tell them it doesn't matter. I mean, I shouldn't say that. It doesn't matter as much as you think it does. Now, for me, I always just use a smartphone. Because with smartphones these days, they can shoot up to 4K, which gives you a huge color profile. It's a really big picture, and I could always cut it down. I could always make it smaller for social media. So in the beginning, I would suggest use your smartphone. If you don't have like a new smartphone, you can buy a used smartphone. So when it comes to microphones, I always just say, just get a cheap lavalier mic. Or you can do what I did. I got a used Rode Wireless Go. This is the first generation of wireless microphones from Rode. I got it used, so it was really cheap. I think it's like maybe $50 or something. But it thing's awesome. It works great. I got a cheap lavalier mic to go with it. A lot of people believe the better the equipment that I have, the better software, the better lighting that I have, it's going to bring me more views. It's going to give me more subscribers. And that's not the case. Master the equipment you have now. Master the process. Then, once you have all that down and you start getting subscribers and viewers, then you can consider upgrading. And I still always recommend to buy used when possible, as long as it has some kind of guarantee. That's what I always recommend doing. So like I said, I have a simple tripod, simple microphone, simple smartphone that I record with, and there's a lot of free software for editing videos too. So let me take a moment and say that if you are looking to start an online business and make money online, I really ask that you please subscribe so that you can get some honest tips, tricks, and advice that you know you can believe. I never prompt, I never ask for you to buy expensive equipment. I never give you affiliate links for expensive equipment. If there's an affiliate link down below, it's always something that is valuable and necessary that will really help you. And I never suggest, like for this microphone, I'll put a description and a link in the description. It will be an affiliate link, but it's like $16. So it's not like I'm not making money hand over fist here. I'm giving you honest advice. So if you appreciate that, you want some more honest advice, please subscribe and hit the like button. And if possible, please share this with as many people as you can. All right, so let's go on to creating your first video. Now, this is where many people get stuck, but don't worry, I'm here to help. Now, what I want you to do is start with a simple introduction video. Now, I want you to be yourself and speak from the heart. Don't aim for perfection, aim for authenticity. Your first videos might not be perfect, and they're probably not ever going to be perfect, and that's okay. The important thing is to start and to improve with each video. So once you upload it, it's time to start sharing your content. Now, when it comes to sharing your content, you really need to focus on, I'd say, only 2 platforms in the beginning, because if you try to be everywhere at once, like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X, Reddit, Pinterest, doing social media on every platform, you're going to get burnt out really fast. And it's impossible to keep up all those platforms at the same time, because you can cut and paste between many of them, but a lot of them you have to reformat. There's like maybe a limit of words you could use on X, for example. It's just a lot to do. So I'd rather you choose just 2 in the beginning and hit it hard and hit it consistently, because consistency is the key with all of this, and it's probably one of the most things people talk about the most when it comes to YouTube. When you do post, you also want to start building an audience. It's important to engage with your audience by responding to your comments on the social media. You can collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. You know, promotion is key to growing your channel. So don't be shy about sharing your content. Now, it's going to take time. You need to really set a schedule and stick to it. Don't get discouraged by slow growth, because not every channel, not every topic is going to explode. You need to learn from your analytics. You need to learn from the feedback you get from your audience. And you need to keep improving on the quality of your video. Consistency and patience are your best friends on this journey. Remember that every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 is an exciting opportunity. And I hope these steps have given you the confidence to get started. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And also, if you're interested, there's also another video up here you can watch to help you with how to get more views. Let's say you're going to be doing TikTok as one of your social medias. Check out this video. It'll help you build and get more followers on TikTok. Okay, thanks a lot, and go out there and start your YouTube journey.